North Central Animal Services Center. There's the shelter. She just told me they each weigh between 7 and 8 pounds each. Oh my God. Is that pretty big? Or is that normal? I don't know how old they are. So let's see. Big. Oh boy. These guys are big. You're big. Oh my God, they're adorable.
Aren't they cute?
Are you doodly cockery?
So there's 6 boys and 1 girl.
Okay, which one's the girl? One of the black
There's
ones?
a little black girl, yeah.
Okay. Oh
I
God.
don't know which one it is, but...
Okay. All right, I can carry,
I can carry him for you.
Okay. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay, babies. Wow, you guys are so cute. Hi. Oh my God. OMG. Wow, you guys are hungry. There's somewhere right here, honey. Here. I got a bowl for everyone. Everyone's got a bowl. Good job. You guys are hungry. Good job, everybody. Asked me to wait in the car because they do want to come out to the car first and parvo test everyone just to be sure before we go inside. Honey, stay in the basket, sweetie. I know. This is how we know who had parvo tests. The baskets had the parvo test and the non-baskets did not. Test. Okay, so we can take them out of the basket again since the parvo test, takes 10 minutes? Here we are. Baby puppies. Oh, for me?
Yeah, it's got some stuff from Holly.
Oh, okay. Oh, here, I'll get the door. Oh, hi, Rick. Thanks for seeing us. Thank you, Dr. Rick. Is it one female? They're so quiet. I'm so glad the shelter called me. Hi, babies. Hi. Look at you. What a brave puppy boy. Sesame Street, look, you look like a Muppet. Oh, wow, he's beautiful. Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Rick. Oh my God. Okay, babies.
You want him? And then you can carry. Oh, that way we don't carry the big one.
Oh my God, you guys. Oh.
This is awesome.
Oh, I'm glad the shelter called me. Oh, you're gonna carry 2? Big boy.
I got the 2 big boys.
Big boys.
Oh my goodness.
OMG.